Hi, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the Google Sheets. So open Google Sheets, put in your data. You're making two graphs, the reaction time versus volume, and then one over the reaction time versus volume. This is not our data from class. This is just some data that I put in here. So then what you're doing with this, to put the graph in, you are going to highlight your data, and then you can either go to Insert, Chart, right here, or highlight your data and go over here to this little chart button. What you'll have to do once you get in there is you'll have to change this to XY scatter so that it plots it. And then from here, you can customize it. So click on the Customize tab. You can change the axis titles, so make sure you have labels on everything, units and labels. So this is where you would go in and you can go through the chart title, the axis labels, change those there. Make sure you have not only the label but also the unit. And then the other thing you'll need when you get the one that needs the trend line, this one you can kind of see it doesn't have a straight line, but the next one will. This is where you would click that. So that's the trend line, and again, this one would not be the one you would use, but just to show you how to do that. And then the other thing you can do here is you can put a label on it, and you put use equation, and then that gives you that equation of the line. So then for the other one, that's the one that you'll be able to use to solve for how much volume you need so that that reaction happens in exactly 25 seconds. After you've done all that, again for both of these, click this little snowman icon over here and go to move to own sheet. That way it'll put it on its own sheet, and then when you go to print it eventually later next week, it'll look nice and take up that whole page.